Radhe Radhe. I'm not feeling well because Archie is not feeling well. Archie, what happened to you? Hold it correctly, baby. What happened to you? In English, what we call it? Cough. You have cough. So what you are using? What is this? Do coughing. What you are using? What we call in English? Nebulizer. And we put medicine in this. Which medicine we put? Which medicine we put, beta? See here. It's okay. Take care. Don't cry, baby. It will be fine. It's paining. It's paining. It will be fine, mama. It's okay. Okay. I will on it again. Okay. Don't cry. Do coughing so the medicine will go inside. You will feel good now. Okay. Okay. Do coughing again. You got fever also? Yes. You got fever also? It will be fine. Okay. Did you go to school today? There also you were coughing? Yes. Okay. It will be fine, baby. Okay. Say Radhe Radhe. You will get soon. God bless you. Radhe Radhe Radhe. Everyone please pray. इनको खांसी होती है ना तो बहुत लंबी चौड़ी चलती है. खांसी के बाद बहुत सारा बलगम, चेस्ट में पूरा कफ हो जाता है. इसके बाद इनको सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो जाती है और वो होने के बाद उनको बुखार और फिर एडमिट करने की सिचुएशन हो जाती है. कभी 3 साल के भी नहीं है और उनको ये सारी दिक्कत होती है. इज IVF बेबी नो. तो सब प्रेयर कीजिए प्लीज. थैंक यू. राधे राधे. राधे राधे.